Hi, as you're watching this video, I would like to thank you for your time and thank you for your support. Thank you very much, guys. Okay, so kwi-video yanamhlanje ngizokwenza lento ebizwa nge-drive partition. Iyini-ke i-drive partition? Okay, ilapho khona-ke udivida i-space se-hard drive yakho ukuze ukwazi ukuthi ama-files wakho noma izinto ama-apps and softwares owa-downloadayo ahlale waseve espacini esi-separated from the space lapho kuhlala khona i-Windows. Ukusiza ngani-ke lokho ngizibonisa la ku-this PC. Mangiklikha ku-this PC, here is my file partitioned. Okay, so lapha sengipartitionile i-drive yami. So this is my main drive. This is my main drive. Lesi space lesi ngasi-separator from this drive and then ngase create this drive. La ngiseva khona ama-files wami and stuff. So here kuhlala only the Windows files and zonke nje izinto ezi-related to Windows, and ama-apps or ama-softwares engiwa-installayo angena here, but uma ngiwa-downloada angena here. So now why-ke kubaluleke ngani ukuthi wenze i-drive partition? Kubaluleke ngokuthi kuyenzeka ukuthi i-Windows yakho noma i-PC yakho or your laptop is corrupted with viruses, and now you can't access your files in your device. So what else? Manje you have only got one option to install in your Windows. For example, kuyenzeka ukuthi i-Windows yakho ibe corrupted, uthola ukuthi sifuna uactivate i-Windows, ithi your Windows has expired, you have to put a activation key into kanjalo, and the activation key cost money around it costs a lot of money. Yeah, so thola ukuthi now you can't access ama-files wakho here. Why? Because thola ukuthi i-Windows yakho and your stuff ama-files or ama-files wakho thola ukuthi are same drive here, same drive. Then the only thing engakusiza ukuthi wenze i-drive partition ukuze ukwazi ukuseparate ispace sakho, your Windows will be stored here and the files on the other side. So lokho kusiza ukuthi when you are installing a new Windows, your Windows you'll select the drive to install your Windows, and then the other drive will not be affected. So now sizokwenza kanjani ke? Once you open this file, masufuna ukwenza i-file partition noma i-drive partition, you come to this PC and then you right click and then go to manage and click a new screen ke manje sesivulekile. So what do you do makuvela this screen? Computer management. So you just come under storage and then you click disk management. Then once you get a disk management, basic vezala this screen. Okay, here now you decide okay, since I've got these drives, I partition this drive and then I created this new drive. So here ilamina install my files but here is only for Windows, and the apps and installer are installed in this drive. So now let's say now you want to partition, then you want to create a new drive, then right click on this drive. Sometimes kwamanye PC or kwamanye laptops lapha kubhala Windows C drive C. Okay, so let's right click this and go to shrink volume. Okay, yeah, load again. After this is over another screen, then you'll have to select and ufake isize ye drive ofuna ukuyicreate. So we'll in the load it and then we will. And remember guys, it is very safe to use a drive partition. Yakusiza kakhulu. It's very important to do a drive partition. Why? Because yakusiza when your PC has got a problem. Sometimes it tells you Windows repair failing, something and stuff like that. It's stuck my Windows updating, it's stuck my Windows repair, it's stuck my Windows automatic repair. Yeah, so all those things to install a new Windows while when you haven't partitioned your drive. So it gives you a lot of problems because when you are installing a new Windows, you will have not to format your drive. Yes, so kuzomela ungayifomati uzokwazi access all the stuff. and if ungayiformat and then still isazophinda futhi ikunikeza ama-issues because lama-files anama-problems asuke angaphumanga. They're still existing in the same drive. So that's why it's very important to do a drive partition. Hlukanisa ispace sakho uzokwazi ukuthi your Windows is installed on the other side and then your files are on the other drive. Kuyasiza kakhulu, very much important. This is a new screen lapho khona uselecta khona usize we drive yakho ofuna ukuyi-partition. I will select my own size here. I will change this one. So mina I will put 170,000 MBs and then shrink. Let's wait for it. It will create a new drive here. Izosho ukuthi unallocated. So lana created a new drive and here should unallocated. This is the drive that we created. So now since it's unallocated, you can't use this space and this drive is still unavailable. So mele siyenze manje ibe available ukuze mongena ku this PC wakho sikwazi ukuvela lesi space. So now what do we do? You'll just click, you'll say right click here and then click new simple volume and then click next and then click next. Okay, so here you can change the letter of the drive. You can put any letter that you like, but for now I'm not going to change this, so I'm going to click next. So here go volume label, you can change it and put your own name. You can say maybe my files and then click next and here click next as well. So now it's available manje nanti, but for now it's a formatter, it's still formatting. Alright, so now it's a good deal again. So the drive is now available to be used. We can put our files here. Alright, now since this drive is now available to be used, let's now go out and check if lelo kunjani iyavela yini. Let us minimize the screen. You see, now this drive is available. My files, drive F, is now available to be used. Let's double click on it. You see, it's still empty. It has got nothing because if formatted like this drive is still empty. We haven't put any file here. Okay, so what if manje let drive lenu usufuna ukuyiphindisela back to this drive, ufuna ukuthi ungasayisebenzisi, maybe you created this drive by mistake, so you want to put it back to this drive. Okay, you will still have to go back to this PC and right click and then manage. Again, uma isikuvezela the screen, you come under storage and then you click at disk management ukuze isivezele ama drives wethu esinawo. Alright, here our available drives. So now sifuna ukuthi this drive siphindisela back to drive C. So how do you do that? You just right click here on drive C and then okay, sorry, you right click, suppose value extend, but it doesn't appear right now. Let's click this one. Okay, extend doesn't appear, so finally extend. Okay, let me try this one. Extend is not available, I don't know why. Okay, let me Oh, okay. So then, guys, so before we extend this drive, we need to format this. We need to delete this drive. Right click and delete volume. And click yes. And then this drive it unallocated. Once it's unallocated, then it will be able to be extended onto this drive. So now we can right click on drive C, right click, and then now extend volume is now available. Then click extend volume, then click next. You see now the size of this drive is now available here, and then click next and then click finish. So now you see now drive my files is no longer available. So isingene lapha ke manje. The space is now, yeah, is it bigger than the space ebe usibona. So now thank you guys. Nalapha futhi in case njengalapha njengoba ithi unallocated, if you want to allocate this drive, you can right click, just right click. You can do as I did here. You can just right click and then sorry, it's just that my laptop is being slow now. I don't know why. Okay, but if the drive is unallocated like this, then you'll have to allocate as I did before for the drive ebese creative. So for now, thank you guys. Thank you very much. It's very important to when the drive partition ukuze ukwazi installer your Windows into a drive A right. And then stuff sakho naso usifake kwi-drive A right. Useparate ispace sakho. Don't combine the two, my Windows stuff and your personal files and folders. No, you need to partition the drive ukuze ukwazi ukuthi isystem yakho ibe safe. Next time when you're installing a Windows, your system will be safe because you'll only format a space as related to your Windows. So for now, thank you guys. Thank you very much.